I'm Takoshiho. If you are a sushi lover, who doesn't like seared salmon? Today, I'm going to show you the tips for making seared salmon and some popular toppings on it in Japan. So let's start. So first, I'm going to prepare toppings. 1. Green onion is really simple. 2. Onion mayo. It's a spring onion and mayo. This really popular mayonnaise in Japan. It's from Kewpie. You can use any kinds of mayonnaise. And white miso and mayo. So white miso is widely used in Kansai area, like Kyoto, Osaka area. It's kind of sweet miso. Salmon go well with miso, so I'm gonna use this with mayo. Alright, for the first one, chop the green onion. I don't use this stems part. Just use this part. So for the onion mayonnaise, I use the spring onion that I mentioned. It's more sweet and juicy. It's seasoned in spring. I slice it and soak in water for about 5 minutes. Okay. And I put some water in. 5 minutes later, get rid of excess water. Okay, the last one is white miso mayo. I mix white miso and mayonnaise a bit and mix well. It's good. Okay, so I'm going to sear the salmon. I use this blowtorch. But you can use a pan to grill for a short amount of time. Line up the slices. I will keep some slices for white miso mayo because I'm going to sear after putting the sauce on nigiri. Please do not sear too much. And I put some mayonnaise. You have to do this just before you make nigiri because mayonnaise has salt, so it's getting watery later, but you don't want it. So as usual, we have tezu, which is vinegar and water mixture, and wasabi, and rice, and wet towel, wet cloth. Okay. Put some tezu on your hand and grab some rice on your right hand. And the seared salmon is kind of breakable, so be careful. Right. Whoo. It's much easier than seared one. Okay, so those two is for white miso mayo. So you don't want to burn rice, so put them next to each other like this. Put the sauce on top. And we'll sear them. I'm going to put more toppings. One is just green onion mayo, done. Hope you enjoyed this videos. I am going to make this kind of videos a lot, so please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.